In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the birthdays calendar in Google Calendar. This simple task can help declutter your calendar view and make your schedule easier to navigate. Whether you want a cleaner look or just prefer not to see birthdays mixed in with your events, I've got you covered. The whole process should only take about 5 minutes of your time. First things first, let's get started by opening up the web browser of your choice. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you're comfortable using. Once you have your browser open, go ahead and type Google Calendar into your search bar. Hit Enter and look for the official Google Calendar website in the search results. It should be pretty easy to spot, usually right there at the top. After you click on the link to open Google Calendar, you'll be prompted to sign in if you aren't already logged in. Use your Google account credentials to access your calendar. It's important to remember that this step is crucial because without signing in, you won't be able to make any changes to your personal calendar settings. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find a list of your calendars under the My Calendars or Other Calendars sections. This is where Google neatly organizes all your calendar options. Scroll down if you need until you spot the option labeled Birthdays. Sometimes, depending on your setup, it might be under one section or the other, so make sure to check both. With the Birthdays calendar now in view, all you need to do is hover your mouse over it. You'll notice a small checkbox right next to the calendar name. Currently, if your Birthdays calendar is showing, this box will be checked. Simply go ahead and click on this box to uncheck it, and just like that, the Birthdays calendar will be hidden from your main view. Hiding the Birthdays calendar doesn't remove any birthday information from your account. It simply stops it from displaying along with your other calendar events. If at any point you decide you'd like to see those birthdays again, you can easily reverse this process by going back and rechecking the box next to Birthdays on the left-hand panel. So, there you have it. A quick and easy way to declutter your Google Calendar by hiding the Birthdays calendar. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you create a more organized and clearer view of your schedule. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your digital life. Until next time, take care.